What's up people, welcome to my channel, The Super Biker Dad. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to unbox and review a waist bag from this very popular brand known as Rhinox. Rhinox is quite popular when it comes to riding jackets, riding pants, and of course their tank bags are amongst the best in the market. So yes, Rhinox is a reliable brand. They have been in this market for quite a long time, and that's why I ordered this waist bag from Amazon. The reviews were great and the price was on a higher side, but yes, the reviews were great, so I felt the price is actually worth it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this waist bag is known as Aqua Pouch waist bag, and as I told you, reviews were great. इसका प्राइस है 1350 1350 रुपये. अगर आपको ये कहीं और बेटर प्राइस में मिलता है तो गो फॉर इट, बट मुझे कहीं भी इससे बेटर प्राइस नहीं मिला, कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था. सो येस, आई मीन देयर वाज नो पॉइंट ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द डिस्काउंट. मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया. दिस बैग हैज़ बीन डिलीवर्ड फ्रॉम समवन फ्रॉम बॉम्बे एंड इट एक्चुअली took around 4 to 5 days to get delivered to me. Let's see how it is. So here we have the Rhinox branding on the packet. So here it is. This waist bag is known as Aqua Pouch waist pack. ये इसलिए है क्योंकि as per the company they are claiming it's a waterproof bag, and I really hope it's a waterproof bag, because you know when we ride, when we the bikers ride during rain, we are really concerned about our gadgets, about our wallet which might get wet. So I really hope कि इस bag में ये issue ना आए. It's really sturdy and really heavy duty. Unlike other bags जो मैंने order करे थे Amazon से, they were really light, low on quality, but this one is really high on quality. At least मेरा पहला impression यही है. So let's explore a little more. So guys, पहले हम start करते हैं इसके outer part से. As you can see, it has a Rhinox branding here, which looks really cool. This belt, as per the company, a 40-inch waist guy can also wear this. So अगर आप मोटे हैं या पतले हैं, आपको ये fit आ जाएगा. As per the company, as per their claim. And of course I'll try it on in some time. These buckles look really high quality, and I'm pretty sure अगर आप biker हैं and if your gloves are on, even then it should not be a problem, because ये बहुत बड़ा concern रहता है. अगर आप gloves पहनते हैं तो आपको फ़ोन यूज़ करने में, अपना bags open करने में थोड़ा issue आता है, but in this case I don't think there should be any issue. This black part on the top is really high quality and it feels a little Swedish. And you can see here they have given some loops, or maybe you can hang your sunglasses, your keys here. So let's open it up. As per the company, this outer part is water resistant. It is not waterproof. They have a pocket here in the front. Let's open it up. It's a big pocket, guys. आप अपना खाने पीने का सामान यहाँ रख सकते हैं. Maybe sunglasses or stuff like that, जो कि आपको अगर भीग जाए तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. And they have a series of small pockets on the side. I'll show it to you. So इन्होंने बहुत ही strategically use किया पूरे space का इस bag में. As a biker, you tend to keep a lot of stuff with you, especially when you're going for long rides. And these side mesh pockets will definitely come in handy for sure. On the right side, oh yes, this is a very interesting part. They have given a pocket, a space for keeping a water bottle here. This actually opens up. There's a button here. It actually opens up and you can actually put in a big sized bottle as well, a pet bottle. And of course जब आप इसको use नहीं करना चाहते हैं, आप इसको बंद कर सकते हैं. Yes, that's pretty cool. Let's get inside. There's another buckle here, so a lot of safety is there for sure. यहाँ there's a velcro here, to open the sack. Guys, look at this. This is deep, really deep. As per the company, it has a 3-liter volume capacity, which is good for any biker. I'll give you an example of how deep this pocket is. So here's my phone, and really deep, man. See. So basically there are two layers, the outer layer and the inner layer, and inner layer is of course waterproof, and this will definitely keep your gadgets, your phone, your wallet, everything really safe, and that's the best part about this bag. And this sack is detachable, so you can just take it out, wash it, जब गंदा हो जाए इसको धो लो, वापस लगा दो. That's how it works. So when you flip the top, there's a pocket here as well. बहुत स्पेस है इसमें भी, एंड इसका टॉप जो है प्लास्टिक का है. सो अगेन यू कैन जस्ट कीप योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर, मे बी योर लाइसेंस, मे बी योर आरसी एंड स्टफ, एंड दिस विल रियली कीप योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स सेफ. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू वेयर इट. आप इसको टाइट कर सकते हो, लूज कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर वेस्ट. सो दैट्स हाउ इट लुक्स गाइज. रियली हैवी ड्यूटी, गुड क्वालिटी. आप इसको सेंटर में कर सकते हो, साइड्स में कर सकते हो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग आप इसको पीछे कर सकते हो. रियली कंफर्टेबल. यू कैन यूज दिस बैग एज अ स्लिंग बैग एज वेल. राइड के बाद अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो अपनी वेस्ट में पहनने के लिए, तो आप ऑफ कोर्स एज अ स्लिंग बैग यूज कर सकते हो across your shoulder, and this one looks really cool once again. So overall a great solution by Rhinox for any biker. अगर आप long rides करते हैं या Sunday rides करते हैं, short rides करते हैं, ये किसी भी तरीके की ride के लिए perfect है. The amount of pockets they have given, waterproof nature of this bag, and the high quality buckles, zip, and the sturdy belt, of course it solves any kind of purpose, and I'm totally gonna keep this, and I will totally recommend this to all you guys as well, especially to the bikers. So yes, I hope you guys liked the video. Do share your feedback in the comment section, and video अगर पसंद आया हो तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love. See you guys soon in the next video.